So, as you probably know, anxiety and depression are two of the very common ailments, mental health challenges in our society today. And people are always looking for solutions and things that they can do themselves to improve this.
Totally. There's lots going on these days, and one of the things that we hear most commonly above all is, I don't want to take medications. I don't want to do something that's just covering up this symptom, and meanwhile the problem is still there. So what can we do on our own to help rewire our brain so that if there is a lot going on that's stressful, we don't necessarily focus on that so much?
Yeah, there's a really easy challenge, actually, and I'm going to challenge everybody who's watching this today to start to rewire your own brain away from anxiety and depression. And how do you do that? You stop complaining.
Easier said than done, I know.
Way easier said than done, because often I think people don't realize that they're complaining. But expressing negativity rewires your brain towards these patterns of anxiety and depression.
Yeah, so action steps. What can we do instead of that? So think about the opposite. Instead of complaining, making positive mantras that you're constantly reinforcing, making your brain follow those positive pathways instead of the negative pathways that lead towards those depression, anxiety hormones that all get released when we focus on complaining.
We could even get some examples, like driving in the car going, oh, this traffic is so bad today. I'm never going to get to work. The traffic's horrible. What about saying, I'm grateful for this vehicle. I'm grateful for this job. And leaving it at that. You know, finding ways to have gratitude even in those moments of frustration when you want to express frustration.
Exactly. I think this is the struggle with this is people think that it's, a jaded mentality of, oh, I'm only focusing on the positive. The negative, okay, will still be there, but if you focus on the positive and that's where your mindset goes, it will completely change your biology and you'll feel maybe a little bit different about those negative situations, even if they are still there.
So try it today. I want to hear from you guys if you are willing to take on the challenge, the no complaining challenge, just for one day. That's all I'm asking. One measly day. Can you do it? If you do it, comment below, and let's start to rewire our brain in a positive way. See you soon.